Ryan Johnson, I want to talk to you about aluminium. You've been doing aluminium for a little while, haven't you?
Yeah. M Plus, we've been doing the F82 AluK bifold door since 2019. So that was our first step into trade supply of aluminium. We didn't want to go whole hog with a full aluminium launch. We wanted to get ourselves tested with one product, get ourselves used to dealing with a new supplier, AluK. And when the time was right, the plan then was to expand it further, which is where we're at now. But even before that, the M Plus group, if you like, has been involved in aluminium fabrication for best part of 30 years, but more commercial aluminium. So we've always had the skills within the group, and we always have the know-how. And now we're going to step through the full system. And I think, we'll start to push the fact that, look, we're not just a fly-by-night window maker who thinks they can make aluminium. We do know what we're doing. We're just putting the M Plus stamp on it now.
Can we talk about the actual products themselves? Because it's quite a range, isn't it, that you've brought in from AluK?
It is. So we've already got, like I've touched on before, we've already got the F82 bifold, which is a high-end bifold, really, and we launched it for those reasons. So it achieves very good U values. It appeals to, new build developers who want a specific product to tick a certain box, sight lines and this, that, and the other. So that's the first product we launched 2 years ago. It's been successful. We're adding in a second bifold to it, which is the tried and tested BSF70. So that's been AluK's sort of leading bifold door for a good number of years. So we're bringing that in to offer alongside the F82 because it's more of a sort of robust trade type door. 58 BW window, which is a slim aluminium window. We touched on it earlier, allowing more light in. I think it was originally designed as a Crittle type replacement window. We are doing a flush window alongside that. We're doing the patio. I mean, we've had a hell of a lot of interest in the patio, and we've actually got orders for the patio going through now. So we're ahead of the game on that. We did a lot of testing of that early on. The factory absolutely love it. And then we've got the residential door offering as well. So we're covering, I think, a lot of ground, and we're going to be giving our customers a lot of options and, pretty much cover everything they'll need in terms of domestic aluminium.
The products that you've chosen, I mean, it's very specific, and the stuff that was sent through to me with all the products you've got there, you've obviously picked and chosen. Any particular reason, and is there a prospect of you bringing more of the AluK products in?
We worked with AluK on that range quite extensively, and it's a mixture. We canvassed our customers, what are they buying now? So that gave us a bit of a steer on what we need to be offering. And we took that information to AluK and spent some time with those guys down there, looking at what they sell, what their trends are, what they think they're going to do, what their best movers are, cross-reference that with what we think our customers want. And we're pretty satisfied. That gives us a pretty good start and a pretty good rounded offering.
Can you provide the service that you've always given to your PVCU customers in the past with aluminium?
So what we wanted to do, and where we think we've got a good offer to our customers is, our systems cover the full product range. So our EVA system will allow customers to track their orders, statements, invoices, delivery notes, pictures, and everything else. And it go across our full product range. So we've integrated our aluminium trade supply into our M Plus system. So, we can quote window card. Our customers, most of our customers use remote pricing and remote ordering. So it's on the same system. So it's easy, basically. And obviously it comes on the same lorry, so you're dealing with one supplier. And the marketing materials are all available in one place as well. So we're putting an M Plus stamp, if you like. We're trying to make, or our aim, and we're pretty confident with where we're at, is to make trade supply of aluminium goods the same as if someone's buying PVC goods from us.
Where is aluminium going to go as far as you're concerned? What sort of proportion of your turnover is it at the moment, and where do you expect it to go in the future?
We think we can grow it, and we've got a facility and a package and a plan to grow it but I don't think it's ever going to, we're not talking 50-50. M Plus is a mass quality fabricator of PVC products. And I think we want to do aluminium right. We're not going to be a bottom feeder and do it for nothing. We're going to do a good product back to M Plus service. So, we're not going to be the cheapest, and we want to do it right. So it's going to be steady growth, but not insignificant. Like I said, I think next year's budget 5 or 10% turnover. So,
do you expect it to attract new customers, or is this going to be all existing PVCU customers who are wanting aluminium?
The easy one for us is our existing customers, because they know how we work. We've got lorries going to them anyway. But I do think, and we're going out with quite a big marketing plan. I do think we'll win new business. And like I touched on earlier, I think that'll then allow us potentially just to win new PVC business as well. Yeah.